In this video, I'm going to show you some of the basics of the Type tool. The Type tool is the one that is a T in the Tools bar on the left, and normally we're going to use the horizontal Type tool. You can start by choosing your font up at the top, and you can see samples of what that font looks like to the right of the name of the font. You can also choose the size here. And when you're ready to start typing, just click anywhere on the document to write. Notice how I've typed off of my document, and I can't see the entire thing. If you want to move some of the words to a new line, all you have to do is click somewhere in the middle between some words and hit Enter on your keyboard, and it will move the rest of it to a new line. Also in our options bar, you'll see the alignment. Right now, we are on the left align, and you can see in this little box that it's flat on the left side, and there are some lines sticking out on the right side, and that's how your text is going to look. If I were to switch over to the right alignment, where it's flat on the right side, it will move my text so that it sticks out on the left side. If I go back to my Type tool, I can show you the center alignment, and that's where it's centered and words stick out on both sides. And you notice I have to keep going back to my Move tool because it moves the words around, but that's okay. If I want to change the font again, I don't have to highlight these words. I can just make sure that I am on my text layer and change the font. You can also change the color of your text by going up to the color box here, clicking on it, and it opens up the color picker window. From here, I can click anywhere and it will automatically change the color of my text for me. When you found the color you want, click OK. Another thing that you can do with your text is, while you're on the text layer, go back to your Move tool and make sure that your transform controls are showing. With this, you can move it around, you can grab the corners and make it bigger or smaller. And if you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, it's the bottom left key, and click on any of the corners, you can actually skew it in different ways. Now let's go back to our Type tool. With the Type tool, you can also add warped text. So if we click on this button right here that looks like a T on a little hill, we can give it a warped text style. And if we change the bend, it changes how much it is warped. There are lots of different styles, and they might not all look good with everything that you type. So you can just play around with it and see what looks good to you. The character panel will also help you when you are using text. So if the character panel isn't already right here, remember you can find anything you need under Window. In the character panel, you can also change the text or the font. You can change the tracking, and tracking is the space between all of the letters. So the higher it goes, the more space is put in between each letter. The smaller it is, the less space. Finally, I want to show you another type tool that is less commonly used but might still interest you. If we click and hold on the type tool, we also have the vertical type tool. So horizontal is normal, left to right, straight across. Vertical type tool allows you to type up and down. So if you wanted to write something vertically, you would use the vertical type tool. And that covers the basics of the normal horizontal type tool as well as the vertical tool.